Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode packed with all sorts of crazy moments caught on BIKERS camera. From close calls, road rage and all the way up to most random moments you could possibly imagine. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching. With that being said, let's get this episode underway.
You're right there? You okay?
Biker came across a woman who was laying on a sidewalk. He stopped to check if she is okay. To be honest, she is definitely not, but she refused the biker's offer to call someone for her.
Do we call the police or something?
Biker got cut off by a careless van driver who totally ignored him on the road, and the biker made sure to let him know about it.
Or something. You idiot. How did you not
Raising your hand in apology once again. It's all cool and handy, but that doesn't fix anything.
see me? Now.
Biker was just minding his own business and riding around, but not everyone is as considerate and aware of their surroundings like he is. This pickup truck driver, for example, did not bother looking at all as he cut the entire road up and nearly caused an accident. This biker lane split past an angry Karen at the traffic lights in order to get at the top of the queue, but she kinda didn't like that move. As the biker was lane splitting, he lost control of his bike and crashed. Luckily, he was wearing his gear and ended up uninjured. Cyclist was just minding his own business and riding in a bike lane, but this crazy driver made sure to make it as much uncomfortable and dangerous for him as possible.
This much here, and there's this much here. I wonder why it pissed me off when you passed me like that. I wonder.
Once again, a clear proof of why every biker needs a full gear. Despite crashing, this lady was not injured.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the biker. He was distracted for a moment, and in that single moment he moved over a double solid line at a corner and nearly hit a truck head on. Biker went out to have some fun on his bike, but he took it too far. As he entered the sharp corner, he touched his front brake too hard, and because of that, he ended up spilling his bike. Reckless driver ran a red light, and the biker was not too pleased about it. I mean, why would he? This reckless driver put his life in danger, and the biker will not sit still on this matter.
Você é louco? Drogado, mano. Tem que ter cuidado, mano. Você pega o motoca ali. Eu vi que você viu, cara. Eu vi que você tava vendo que você não. É nóis. Ah, é pra filmar, mano. Às vezes dá uns acidentes, né, mano? É nós só quero ir pra casa. Tamo junto.
It's not just drivers, but we have some careless bikers who take way too much risks, even for their own good. Speeding through traffic is way dangerous than it seems, and this is why. Just as the biker was about to develop a high speed, his bike gave up on him. I always think about the worst case scenario, like the engine itself completely failing. Check out what happened once the biker pulled over.
I wonder what happened. Oh yeah. Ah. What? Whatever. I'm not gonna complain.
Biker experiences these kinds of situations with reckless drivers on a daily basis. Out of all the places for a pedestrian to cross the road, this is definitely not the safest spot. This crazy biker totally ignored the traffic lights. It was red, but for him, apparently not.
Olha lá, olha só, olha que legal, olha lá, olha lá.
This is what it looks like when a driver doesn't have a single care in the world. He pulled out way too much at the intersection and posed danger to everyone coming. Before you know it, this biker found himself in a pickle, in between two drivers who didn't care at all. The driver on his right side merged over into the biker's lane, forcing him out of his own lane, and that nearly caused a catastrophe. When you're minding your own business and you just want to set a great example for the rest to follow, but not everyone is as kind and generous as you are. Out of all the things to do, we will never recommend you to overtake another vehicle at a sharp corner, because it's way too dangerous and you can never know what awaits you on the other side. Pay close attention at the van driver in front of the biker. He was too impatient and way too self-entitled to wait in line like the rest of the traffic. So what does he do? He decided to make a lane for himself. This guy is unbelievable. Biker was simply enjoying his spare time on a bike, but this crazy van driver pulled up way too fast from behind and he dangerously passed him as well. The crazy scene does not end there yet, and even more crazier taxi driver is about to enter the scene. Biker was checking out an old neighborhood. He wasn't riding here for a long time and he was looking at the houses, but he didn't notice a speed bump on the road. Biker got nearly into a wreck as a careless driver pulled out into his lane without looking. To be fair, the biker could have been a bit slower here as well, but that does not take away from the driver's careless cutoff.
Hey fella! Hey! Hey! Alright. Alright, that happens, alright?
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well. More importantly, I hope you took notes and learned a great deal out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button because it helps this channel grow. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click on that bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, ride safe and keep your eyes wide open.